Hello magical souls, welcome back to another video. So I'm so happy I got the Witch's Moon box. I've been drooling over this on YouTube from different YouTubers, opening it for so long. Look how cool it looks. I'll definitely have overlay clips, but there's magical symbols all over the box. My light's a little washed out, sorry guys, but ooh, I can't wait to get into this. Everything is so beautiful. So when you open it up, the first thing you guys see is the card of all your info, and then your tarot card for the month. And then I got this really cool Book of Shadows page. This month, I guess, is the Pendulum. So magical. I love it, guys. Sorry about the glare, but it's really beautiful. So I got the cool Book of Shadows, my tarot card, and let's get into the meat and potatoes in here. Ooh, I'm so excited to finally be able to do this. They package it really good with all this shredded stuff. Ooh, what's in the pouch? The satin pouch. Everyone raves about these. They're like silk. So fancy. I love this color. Ooh, I got some clear quartz tumbles. They look like, they could be window quartz. The ones that, I think Vikings use to, like, use the directions. This is so cool. Let me open up the info paper. And my oracle card says Dream Oracle Cards. And I have color. Express your true feelings. So I got one with, like, all the different colors. So beautiful. That's so cool. And then the inside of this says The Seeker. Ooh, this is pretty cool. So I got a handcrafted Divination Pendulum Board. Ooh, I'm reading into everything. Oh, this is so cool. So this crystal, guys, was optical calcite. It's a clear stone that is a wonderful tool to have close by. It's also known as the Icelandic spar. It brings with the power to cleanse anger and ignorance from our own energies. So that's really cool. I can't wait to use this. I love a good crystal. And all these cool infos in here. Ooh, I'm guessing this is the pendulum. How ironic. Speak your truth. This is very beautiful, and there's a little raven on there. Smoky quartz has significant meaning to me on a spiritual level. And this is so cool. For my first pendulum, that's like a real crystal one that is, smoky quartz. Smoky quartz filters away negative energy and vibrations from other people. So, whoa, this is so cool. I'll definitely include close-up shots for you guys. I love that. Ooh, and a new incense burner. I can use a bunch of these. I burn a lot of incense all the time, so I love this cool incense burner. This is so exciting, guys. I've been watching people open these on YouTube for so long. So let's take out more stuff. Looks like this is the magical oil that I have next. Look how cool it looks in here, guys. They package it like so good. So thoughtful. I can't really smell anything, but ooh. Everyone says the tissue paper always smells good because the oil. Let's see. Let's open this up. This is the magical oil everyone raves about. They're like, each month it's so cool. So I have the Seeker, the Witch's Moon. Ooh, in the light, I could kind of see, guys. It looks like there's some plants in there. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, this smells really good. I see like some, it looks like chamomile, feverfew, some wood in there. Ooh, this looks really good, guys. It's like a little potion, kick away all that negativity. This looks really magical. I love these little essential oil potion bottles. So cool. And then we got Osatera, one of my favorite witchy holidays, the bath salt. It's got a bunch of herbs like roses, lavender buds. It looks like Epsom salt in there. It looks very crystal-like. Looks like it has the Osatera goddess on there. It's so magical. I love this so much, guys. This is going to get me excited each month for some magic in this world. So I got some pepper. How funny, because I was thinking I'm going to use pepper to make some black salt in the future. And mugwort, one of the most witchiest herbs that I don't have that I totally need. And this one is linseed. This is cool. Some new magical herbs that I can work with in my craft. Make some magical potions and all that good stuff. Ooh, I see the small stuff, but I want to get into the really cool thing, guys. I think this is like a pendulum board or something. What? Is it reflective too? This is so cool. Yes, unknown, maybe no. And the Eye of Horus. Look at this, guys. It's a pendulum board. I don't know if you can see it the best, but this is so cool. So magical to get like your answers from like the divine and do your scrying. This is cool. My color, red. element of fire. I love this so much. This box is so exciting, and it looks like I have a candle too. Ooh, it's gonna be a red candle, I think. Ooh, it's a black candle. This is cool. Let's see, it says the Divine Dark. Or Spark. The Divine Spark, and it's a black candle. And there's gonna be a little spell in there. This is so magical, I love this. Beeswax candle. It smells almost like a Play-Doh. But I don't know, because my nose is messed up. But this is so cool, a little magical candle. And the last thing is the incense. It's got that smell. It reminds me of my childhood, like a Play-Doh. Really light, spring-like. This is a perfect scent for like Osatera spring, guys. I love everything. So there was a handcrafted Divination Pendulum / board, knotted raven smoky quartz pendulum, the Pendulum Book of Shadows artwork, the Divine Spark spell candle, and there was also Osatera Sacred Saw, optical calcite, hand-carved incense stick holder, energetic barrier incense, linseed seed, black pepper, mugwort herb, personalized oracle reading, parchment paper. So they give you the extra piece of parchment paper, I can't even talk, paper that everyone raves about, so you can write your magic, spell work on here, burn it in your ritual, add it to your own book of shadows. I love this, guys. Everything in the Witch's Moon box is so awesome. I can't wait to get into it and start making some magic. Might do little vlogs for you guys in the future. Everything is so awesome. Thank you, Witch's Moon. I love my box so much. I really want to get the Witch's Bounty box, but I think I'm going to have to choose between the Moon and the Bounty box. But if you're watching this video and you want to send it to me to unbox, I'd love to do that. And yeah, this is all the stuff from the Witch's Moon, guys. I recommend getting stuff from them because I've binge watched so many unboxing videos, and finally I got to open one. Everything definitely resonates with my soul on a spiritual level from past lives, everything. Like the first box I got from them, I got the pendulum, and it's just so neat how everything works. I recently went to the drugstore and got me this notebook too for a little witchy journal. A smaller one to write random notes and spells and symbols that come to my mind. So I got that recently. And just today, guys, I went to the thrift store spontaneously and I got some cool things. I got this little thing right here that you can use to like hold dishes, or I can use to hold my tarot card for the week, or like my Book of Shadows artwork. So I thought that was really cool. My mom found this one. And then this is like a cool crystal grid thing for the sun, spring's arrival. This thing's really cool. And then I also found these little like clear dishes that you can use to put like pillar candles on so the wax doesn't spill everywhere. And then I got a couple of those, and I got this like quartz crystal or like glass crystal bowl that I can use for water when I do magic to represent the element of water / doing scrying in there. And yeah, basically all the new witchy stuff I got recently, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video so much. And this bracelet I just got recently too. I'll have to show a close-up for you guys, but it's got all the like water crystals, all the elements, earth in there. And yeah, this was so much fun to do, guys. I'm so happy with everything I got from the Witch's Moon and all my new magical things. Definitely gonna be getting more of their stuff in the future. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below, and by earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it be.